All right. Topwater Tony back at it again. And today we're in Middletown at the Horsepower Farm for Hail to Horsepower. The weather's been looking kind of iffy, but right now it is dry and everybody's out wiping down their cars. So we're going to take a look and see what is here. We got all the usual suspects here. We got Gopher, we got the Professor, we got the Camaro girls, we got Slimer, and everybody else. So let's check it out. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And here we go. How's it going, Mr. Eminem?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
All right.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
What's up, people?
Oh my God, it's
What's up? What's up? Hello. I don't know.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Handshakes. It's Crazy Katie. Oh, bro. This lady's a nut.
Get to work. Go.
Hey,
What? Oh, wait. Sunglasses. Oh, yeah.
they're gone.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
They're right here.
Got them hidden in there.
Wait a minute. Oh, no.
Your pen.
Oh. Lipstick.
Lip pen.
Here. Hold on. Hold on. All right.
Ready for your close-up.
You always have the cutest outfit. Oh, thank you. Are you still going? Yes, you are.
Yes, I am.
More people are coming.
Hey, how you doing? I like this carburetor setup.
Yeah, I told him, I said he changed it over to 2 barrels. He had time, but
Put a canopy like that in the back here.
Okay, guys, the rain has kind of kept people away, but we got sun right now, so maybe that'll help bring them out. Show's until 4, so we'll see if more come out.
Eventually.
What's this little guy?
I think it's a kit car. I don't remember. Kia Mark GT.
we did a couple buses back there last time I went by. I mean, probably
Just
5 years.
the body on a Volkswagen.
But,
Oh, here you go. Here you go.
what is it?
Cal Mark GT.
Oh, okay.
I think it's this, but not that.
Oh, Lord.
Is that your S10?
Extreme.
Scar stuff in the back. I was kind of
See what in the back?
that blue and white one over there.
I have another one. It's about 3 inches lower all around. It's on the street.
Uh-oh.
So I bag them if you're interested.
He's got bags in the back.
Yeah, I've got 4 of them here ready to go.
No shipping involved.
Right now.
I see, that's that good banner.
That's the kind of the customer service
Yeah.
you're not used to, right?
We know what you need before you know you need it.
We know what you need before you even have to have it. Where's the usual suspects at anyway?
Yeah, flip phone. I mean,
Oh, flip phones here.
black T-shirt will be here probably about 3 o'clock.
What about
Is there another
the guy
usual?
with the Mustang and all that?
Oh, Marshall.
Yeah, I don't know why I can't remember his name. I don't know why I felt bad about that the other day.
Marshall and Keith, the other Keith,
Yeah.
and
Nice man.
Marlon.
Yeah, he probably working. He probably out of state working.
I see. What is this?
Dad's sled? It's an Escape.
Did you say dad sled?
It says it on the
Sled?
visor thing. I don't know what to tell you.
Lordy.
All right, I need some detailing spray and some more towels. Back in probably. That's what I did.
I like these flames.
It says that you're
I like that mural.
Oh, too important.
That's like out of a Camaro.
Yeah, 86 up. 86
Monte Carlos too, maybe. No.
I think Corvette and Camaro are the only two that got them. I think the Monte Carlo SS just still had a throttle body, but don't hold me to that American. Sit there. America. Oh, there you go. That's a standard cab, standard bed, been perfect, dude.
I like the extra cabs for that base box.
Yeah.
And some chairs.
Bump in the trunk. Still find one.
I really should have got that one from Indiana. That was a nice one. Beautiful setup and everything. But wasn't meant to be.
You don't get one later.
All right, guys.
It's almost warm.
I know. I'm about to take this off. All right, guys. New segment. It's called Pass the Mic.
Oh, God.
And I'm passing the mic.
What's up, everybody? Let's see what ends up happening here.
Hello, America.
Hello, America. He'll like that one, right?
Yeah.
So see if I can butcher this like he does. I mean, like I do. Here's Slimer.
Are we got some people over here? Gotta get these
Familiar
people.
face. Killer dog. They don't like the mics, remember?
We went out yesterday and she goes, this is for Mother's Day.
He's even got a matching vest.
His boots match, everything.
Well,
I got your boots. He said, duh.
Duh.
Got her,
Yeah,
I've already
you
been
got
here before,
the thing
but-
on the back, you know. She outgrew. We had a little.
You gotta get the new commercial guys that are doing the Ghostbusters on the DirecTV. Whoa, look out. They ran over here.
Oh,
This show car.
wasn't that car already there?
I don't know what happened. I don't know if he can get out or what.
I thought it was a
I
beer.
never really, I dove into his. I didn't realize he had floor mats and everything. Wipers are on. Dark in there. I'm gonna get ran over. Get top water, help with some directing some traffic here. I don't think he's looking at you. Go to hear the thud. Don't worry, you'll know when you hit it. It's okay, just keep going. Or forward some more. He apparently doesn't trust you. Go that way. More skinny pedal. I don't think you can go that way. You're going to have to back up. I think he just needs to back up some more and go out that way. I'm not sure. I'm not sure you're in the safe environment right now with the way this guy's driving. Yeah, I don't think he does either. That's why he's trying to move. What? What? What, killer? Come say hi, you meanies. You ain't mean to nobodies.
Yeah.
You ain't mean to nobodies.
It was all because you weren't paying attention to it.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Attention deficit. The other straight back.
Yeah, so I don't know. I might do that. But now I'm going to be working from home, and I'm never going to.
I'm not sure.
I'm not either.
He's
I was gonna walk
at
in
this
front,
point
but I'm
he's
glad I didn't
yeah.
at
At
this
this point he's committed.
Yep.
Watch your back.
He's close.
If not, he's about to find out. I don't know why he wanted to go that way, but
Yeah. He can't back up.
good
He ain't doing too good.
good footage. The reason insurance is high.
Yeah.
There's the one that's got the.
All right.
All right, back to the show.
Back to the show. How did he get parked there anyway?
I don't know. He just went where he wanted to go, I guess.
Really? He's going to make it out.
He only hit 4 cars.
Last week he hit 6.
It's better.
I love this Corvette.
Yeah. Big. What was that?
Oh, God.
Oh, that was scary.
Sound like it went past my ears. with the, see what you're doing.
Oh no, I good. I'm pretty decent with it.
You taught me.
That's right. I was the one that made you change to this.
Yep.
I know the same way with my Mustang. I haven't got all the parts.
Nice, simple interior.
I mean, I still have more mods to do on it, but I thought I would get it back on Thursday.
Hey, the keys are in this one. You want it?
Nah, not enough colors. No, I do like that black.
It's got air conditioning.
I'll take it.
You take it. Must be a vintage air system because it's like not here. The firewall.
That's what I need.
You? I need like vintage
Mine
heat
don't
or
work.
something. Yours don't work?
Remember we got that issue with the
Yeah, the clutch and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. My memory's not the best. I thought it said 1993. I'm like, no, it's not.
somebody's lying.
And this turd. To be honest with you, it wouldn't be much more labor than putting your coilovers in.
Right.
The only thing beyond that you've got is
We're talking
hoses-
shop.
hoses and electric.
Right. Should have bagged the cube. Comment below.
Okay. Comment below.
Woo. I was.
Taking donations for my air right.
I thought that was a speaker box at first.
Go ahead and close it up.
That's cool, Rap. Did the half and half thing too.
Oh, okay. I know.
It's like half off of the stripe.
Yeah.
Oop, excuse me. Hey.
Hi.
In your face. Woo. I'm bending down stuff. I only got one Camaro girl's car here today. I guess we need to go that way.
Those cars are way up in value.
Yeah. And it's a GS. And we got 302. All the chrome.
We have all of this stuff.
You know, that shows what kind of guy I am. That's why I left right there.
Cool setup.
Thank you, sir.
Will this hold me?
So this is a rig that I built for Blue Skies for Good Guys and Gals out of Middletown, Ohio, to help out the wounded warriors and fallen heroes of this country. And basically it's a 2016 Ram AEV, American Expedition Vehicle, built to pretty much go anywhere. The overland tent and my hammock chairs, which everybody seems to like my chairs more than anything else.
Yeah, I noticed
So-
those when I came in down there.
When you do a bunch of shows and events and camping, you got to be comfortable.
Good morning, everyone.
So that's
For
it.
those
Yeah,
just
you got it made. Got the
Go anywhere I want to go and just relax.
behind the horse.
got the stereo system up here.
Yes, sir.
In the back
Separate sound
we have
system.
a real nice food buffet. Go in, sit down, enjoy yourself.
I'm gonna try this chair out.
We got kettle
Try the chair out?
Yeah,
All right, we'll see you fall.
We're running.
This should be good.
Do you take credit cards?
Lots of crabs,
Sorry about that.
vendors.
Yeah, definitely get
Definitely get the. If you, well, just commit.
Okay.
Plenty of
Can I push you like a swing?
Comfortable, right?
yeah. Here in the field, about
Imagine backing up to a lake or something, just sitting here
Fishing.
Fishing. That's
Right.
right. That's what you do. That's what I do.
This be a get the screen.
I got you.
Okay, I might make this a thumbnail.
At your lazy ass car show.
Right?
If you're a car show participant,
And you're leaving me by myself. I got to stand.
already began. So,
All you need now is a cooler full of beer and a pond.
There's a pond right down there. You just parked in the wrong spot. That's all that is. You can get out of here. Watch.
Easier getting out. I thought it was gonna like collapse.
No.
It's load rated for you. I think it'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll hold up to 300, so we're good.
Did it balance out? Like right now it's leaning because he's on
Yeah,
one
it
side.
It did a little bit, yeah.
It's like a scale.
Right?
It's got the interior done inside the truck 2 days ago.
Let's take a look at that.
Put me work in. Oh! What are we looking at?
The interior.
Oh. Yeah, a little blue going on everywhere.
What's the YouTube channel?
Oh, it's Topwater Tony. And I probably
You didn't bring any cards, did you?
Just Topwater Tony.
Okay.
Started out as a fishing channel, but now it's mostly car stuff.
Hey, you don't fish anymore, do you?
I do. Maybe tomorrow. It's always tomorrow.
There's another show tomorrow, though. You going to hit?
Lawrenceburg?
Yeah?
Not if I go fishing. I'm not sure yet.
Quitter.
I was thinking about it, but I got to be back up in Michigan tomorrow. So I head out to Portland on Monday. I'm an over-the-road truck driver.
Wow.
Live in my semi, so every chance I get when I'm out of that truck, I'm in this truck. I'm either doing shows or camping, one of the two.
Or both.
Yeah. I headed down on Broadway Street in Nashville last weekend. Now that was interesting. You're talking thousands and thousands of people, and there's probably 10,000 pictures floating around in my truck.
I just came back from Maggie Valley, North Carolina for the Mini Trucking Nationals.
Oh, really?
There's 750 entries there, probably another 1,000 or more on the street, stripping, driving, and cruising.
Right.
Awesome
right.
time.
It was a great time.
Back to you.
Passing the mic back. All right, well, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Enjoy the breeze.
Yes.
The sun's out and the breeze is going. It ain't bad.
No, it's not.
I'm hot.
That's what she said. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know why, but I thought that was a Jeep. You were walking around and I didn't pay any attention to actually it being a truck.
Yes. Huge. I don't like when my screen goes off.
I think there's a setting in there you can make it to where
Yeah, then it sucks down all the battery.
you're gonna do it anyway.
True. I'll fix it.
Rolling in now.
Here we go. Drove it all the way to North Carolina and back.
Yeah.
No issues.
More about 1,200 miles. You got about 31, a little almost 32 miles a gallon in it.
I challenge you. I don't know what mine is.
I would assume a little bit more, but there's nothing else is pretty equivalent.
You know, before my dash was saying 29 point whatever.
Right.
I think that's what it said. But the battery, I had to disconnect the battery, and now that I reconnected it,
It says something different.
it says 35, like almost constant.
So you probably, I know it does like a mathematical average of how it's been driven. So the guy apparently before you must have been a little bit heavier in the pedal.
I don't know. I need to do it like by actual how much I spent for gas versus mileage.
Yeah, it'll be off, whether it be higher or lower is kind of hard to say.
Yeah. It'd just be a roundabout.
Got the window sticker. 32 grand back in 2002.
Huh. Oh, now getting cold.
Sun goes in and takes off quite a bit. Whoa. Little straight six.
Nice Happy Days car.
Happy days. Here's nice to get a little rolling footage. that the same music that's playing up there, or is that a different one?
May have
You can't hear that, America. Music.
to. Yeah, I can't hear it.
That's not a song you're hearing at all.
Yeah, Keith said he painted the lines, or some of the lines. So how that was so crooked, I think that's the one he did.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Come on, Keith, step up your game.
Trash cans are blowing over.
What?
Over there.
Oh, that's probably not in it yet.
Got a gangster lean.
Need some more. Need some more trash in your trash can. It is a little breezy. We going down this one or going up that one, or what are we gonna do?
We'll just go up and down.
Up and down. I'm getting the feeling now this whole pass the mic thing is just so you keep your hands warm.
You can always pass it down.
America.
We were just commenting on your beautiful lines you painted.
Well, I was a little drunk at the time. That was good. No,
We're not kidding, that was true.
well, this whole place is not really straight.
Oh, so blame it on the ground.
What? Do we need surveyors out here
We do, we should have it.
with their little instruments?
How about I just punch you right in the face and we'll just go.
Oh, that's threatening. I heard him.
Bodily harm.
Fight at car show. Here we go.
Hey,
Tonight at 9.
I've heard it happen. I was at a show in Columbus where it happened. These two guys were arguing, and it got really heated. It was at a church in
Oh,
A church?
it was in Reynoldsburg.
I was expecting trailer park.
Yeah.
These guys.
These two guys at church.
There was some hatred going on, man.
It's a religion fight. That's why I like mini nats. Everybody's
Holy
cool.
war.
49 truck.
49. How do you know it's 49?
52.
See? How do you know?
I was close. Hey,
Hey,
I know her.
As,
I know her.
as far as Price is Right's rules, he still won.
Yeah.
They look a lot the same though, 49, 52.
He can't count anyway, so it's fine.
They're all round.
There you go. They all got wheels?
They all got wheels. There's a bed involved.
I let it, like the seats. Oh, well, the whole interior. Look at this wood grain.
Oh, nice. Very.
And wood back
Oh,
here.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
More wood.
Kind of the same too. Different finish, but
Yep, not as slick.
give him credit for black. Let me get this straight. Something to be said about it. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. You can't count the 2 anyway.
It's hard on you, isn't it?
Right?
Tough on you.
19,000 actual mileage. A lot of chrome.
All the chrome.
All the chrome. Actually, I mean, not terrible.
Well, see, it was down to either the Cube or a Corvette.
Oh, is that where
And
the...
I think I messed up.
Yeah.
It always seems like the camera's so low.
Nah, it's such a fisheye. You're all right. I try to fill the whole picture versus you being in the middle.
200 mile-an-hour speed.
Speedo. Yeah, damn near do it.
Be ready to take flight. Look at my little chrome piece up there.
What are we looking at?
On this section.
Oh. Oh, for the year?
Yeah.
2001. It is 2001, right? Yeah, okay. It'd be kind of silly if not.
Yeah. We don't want to falsify anything.
Right. Calm it down over there.
Sounds like my kind of show.
What year is this one?
I think it's in the 50s.
It's in the 50s. Good old small block. Sniff but don't touch.
I'd be kind of scared to run without a shroud.
Scared to run without a what?
Shroud, the fan shroud.
No, just don't stick your finger in there. You'll be all right.
Good place to leave when you're working. Here we go. Modern muscle.
Relationship and you're happy.
So lean. It's the old 39.
Some of them they do. I think it's like they're numbered. So I don't know if you look and see if his VIN matches. Is it an 039 or something like that? Yeah, it may not go 1-to-1. But I think they get a sheet on a build sheet because, you know, these are built through an aftermarket company, so I think they number their builds.
This I like. This is me.
Was it this or the Cube? Or the Vet?
I'm a Chevy guy, so I gotta go Vet.
Thank you,
Preferably a...
JC. Jeez,
We gotta get this rolling in.
It's 4-banger over here coming in.
Times 2. Should we get it?
I'm a professional. Guy that was here a little bit ago went back and got a Chevy.
That would be funny. All of a sudden he knows how to drive.
Yeah. This guy's over here feeding the dog biscuits.
Oh, I thought he was parking.
You call me?
I thought he was parking.
He is, down there.
Oh. I thought he was going over here.
I guess that's good enough.
Officially begin. Make your final preparation.
This guy says, screw it. I'm going camping.
The judges will be around to each one individually. As we speak,
Guy's a little
they're
nervous when he
starting.
pulls up.
Get ready, we're coming to get you.
Judging has officially begun.
Begin? Begun? Begins. Begun is
Pass the mic back.
bye-bye.
He gone.
Not really.
You know I love Pro Street.
Really?
Or race cars. That's the first time I've heard
Or the
that.
original version?
Yeah, it's like, hey, that's where you got that from. All right, Killer Joe's getting some attention.
I love you, Tony. I love
Hey. All right, let's get back to what we were
Where
doing.
we going? Yeah, you got sidetracked. I want the hammock.
Yeah, that's all you. All you. We'll get back to that.
It's all right.
All right, we got sidetracked from all that muscle.
Well, actually, when you go down this aisle, anyway, I don't know where you're headed. That's where we came down. You go to the front of this one.
Okay. This is a long bed? Hell yeah, it is. It's huge. Ooh. Pistol grip? Oh, it's a Dodge. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. This one's got the, I don't know if it had it originally, but it's got the micro motor in it.
There it is. Beautiful.
I just bought a brand new Mazda.
Beautiful.
Little bag set up on it.
Is that the adjuster?
That's for the shock.
Adjustable shocks? For the
Yeah, they
dampening or whatever?
did a crazy thing where it's got a sleeve in the top where it bolts in.
You can see it. Huh. Very nice, very nice.
Oh shit.
Careful.
Listen, this guy. I bet you open your hood, don't you?
If I had something worth opening, I would.
You'll get there. You're young. I just turned 60.
All right. Z71.
All the camping.
Yeah, extreme camping. We got Will just over here. What's up?
Hey!
This is my box buddy.
Doing great.
Second guitar in tune?
Yeah,
I don't know. It could be. It could be.
Could be.
Very nice, very nice. Box Nation.
You're kind of in that now, aren't you? Are you considered a round body box?
Yeah.
Announcements.
NBS?
And let everybody know that in the back building, here behind this garage, on back in the back,
I'm
they
getting
have
hot now.
A sit-down food buffet.
Okay.
Really nice food.
He's
in
got
there.
he's got a drifting brake.
In the back there by that building, we have the cone ice cream.
All right, we got the judges. We'll let them do
Next
their
to that,
thing.
we have kettle corn.
Yeah, they said judging starts now.
Here, visit up.
Well, I think they're trying to get in there before if it does end up raining.
Yeah.
Everybody's got to fight down.
Car-related stuff. Get in on the raffle.
All right.
50-50.
Hellcat.
Paratroopers will be jumping in at noon.
Red Eye.
Support your
All right.
show vendors.
Noon is going to end up raining on them. They
Thank
don't watch
everybody for
out.
coming out.
What's the Red Eye mean? What's the more horsepower or what?
Yeah, it's a different package. If I recall, you get a different key and all that kind of stuff, but it allows a little bit more power. Well, the reason I said that red eye decal should not be peeling up, I don't think it's reading. So it may not be a true red eye. The same guy I've seen with them covers that look like they're leather over top of the shock towers. Maybe
Right.
Celine had them on there.
All this copyright music.
You want me to sing? Will that help?
And of course, we can't forget flip phones, Camaro.
We can't?
Well, we can. Yeah, in case you didn't know, it's a Camaro.
What kind of car is this again?
It's a Camaro, I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
It's a Camaro.
There's your temperature. There's your wipers.
That's hot.
I don't know what that one's for.
It's just extra.
But it's like gauge-wise, so what is that doing?
Looks like a satellite.
Is your satellite fluid? That's the blinker fluid.
Blinker fluid. Exactly.
We're stupid.
Exactly.
He's probably not going to like us anymore.
We got a big Cadillac here. Scotty's.
I think the word big, you can just leave out.
It's
a
redundant.
Cadillac. Right, yeah.
Redundant.
I didn't realize they put the batteries always in front of these things.
That's weird.
Like they didn't have room under the hood.
Yeah, I like these.
They've gone up way in value in the last few years. Little Datsuns and stuff.
Yeah. All right, guys. Here's the V. It says one of a kind. 800 horsepower. I think I've seen this a long time ago. Maybe, I don't know. I think I've seen that before.
It's a Lingenfelter spot.
I have seen it before then. Very nice. 427 Lingenfelter.
Paint on this is nice. It looks black, but it's got nice metallic in it. Only when the sun hits it. Other than that,
Yeah.
it looks like it's just black. They call it diamond black or something.
Like the hood.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Actually, an RC car is built up to the same color.
Oh, here we go. The carbon fiber cat.
These things look so good bagged.
Oh yeah.
They're on the ground.
He just got this done.
Probably could have done it cheaper.
I want to get mine done, but it's so expensive.
What's so expensive?
Well, the kit that I priced was like $4,200.
Oh my God, no! Stop. Buy it a la carte. We can do it a lot cheaper. Trust me.
All right, gotta turn this off so we can talk. Ugh. Come back here.
Be my friend.
Whew. I got shaky hands. Freedom, freedom. Chickens. Chickens.
You do right past that. I got original axles in it. Yeah, you can buy the other one. That's right. Last one, good. That's right.
Huh. I think I've seen this one before. And we got a Rubicon. Mean green, I think I've seen this before. Toxic. Oh, that's cool.
Miles per gallon.
Subaru.
Hi, Tony!
Hey! What's up? Hey! Correct. Dogs hate me. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. You like me. Those other dogs are ignoring me. Well, you are now. Okay, there you go. You're back. Whoa. Whoa. Hey! It's Gopher. You getting some?
I haven't slept yet. I'm all right.
You getting some good shots? What time did you get here? Like 3 o'clock in the morning?
No, it was 6:30, maybe.
Oh my God.
7.
I was still on the couch.
Yeah, I was number one. I'm number one in the parking spot.
Number one with a bullet.
No, number one with sleepiness. It'll all be good.
Yeah. Good times, good times.
But I'm not sure if that's the case. But I don't know. I'm not really.
All right, guys. It's a pretty good turnout. Few more vehicles are coming in. Like I said, I think the weather this morning that we had, it was raining pretty good. Kind of turned people off from coming to the car show. It was supposed to be a whole lot bigger, but it's big enough. You get kind of like an overview there. It is what it is, but it's still a good time. Good cars, good people, and all that good stuff. All right, more cars. All right, check this out. There's a phone in there. You got MGs. You got a Corvette without a body. Saw this once before. It's pretty damn cool. And it's rumored that this Challenger here, old Challenger, has a newer engine in it. Let's take a look. There it is. I think I've seen this before too.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming up in just a few moments, we're going to have the first group.
Oh, we got some paratroopers coming down.
Out, followed by another group 2 minutes later.
If I have my zoom lens. Wait a minute. Actually, I do.
With the American flag.
Where's my car? Had to get my other camera with the zoom. Just in case he lands. Wow, he's coming out hard. Porsche.
See, these are mid-engine. You might get the best cube award.
Now you're talking.
They don't take a whole lot of space, but if you've got room for a single
.com, that's a free site. You don't need a password or anything else like that. Car shows. Be sure to check out that website, and like I said, you'll probably see a really cool photograph.
Hello, America. Again. Hello.
I'll cut that out.
Man, I really like your rap, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
How's it going? How's Trick?
We've got them coming your way.
The kiss of death as one by one he lures young beauties into the timeless, bloodless realm of the...
All right, we got Tron Corvette coming in. What you got going on?
I got a wedding tonight I'm going to.
Oh, I was assuming the wedding was in the morning. Hey, what time did you get here?
Oh, you know, 7:30.
7:30. Oh my God.
Actually 7:50, but yeah.
Man. All right, reaction?
My eyes are going crazy. They're so crazy. Look at this. Tony did good. Yes. Awesome.
Crazy Katie reaction.
Okay, I want to see the truck go up and down.
Mine?
Certainly not mine. Mine's not a truck anyway. Whoa!
Do it again. See? Check this out.
All right, guys, that is it for the show. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? I will catch you on the next one. Peace.